Hello friends, now we are going to understand the process of image formation by the convex lens. Okay, so first we will see the rules of the image formation by the convex lens. So in the first rule, when the light ray will pass parallel to the principal axis after refraction of this lens, it will pass through the focus. Okay, always. In the second rule, when the light ray will pass through the f1, then it will after refraction it will pass the parallel to the principal axis. Okay, in the third rule, when the light ray will pass through the optical center, it will go without undeviated throughout the lens. Okay, so in the first case of convex lens, when the object is kept at infinite, so from the infinite the light rays are come parallel to the principal axis and it will pass through the focus. Okay, and one more light ray will come through here and it will pass through the focus. Okay, so our image will formed here. It is highly diminished and real and inverted. This is the characteristic of the image. It is at f2 and it is highly diminished, real and inverted. So in the second case, when the object is kept beyond 2f, means it is kept here, so the light rays will come parallel to the principal axis. After refraction it will pass through the focus. Okay, and from here the light rays will pass through the optical center and it will meet here. Okay, cut here. Okay, so here will our image will formed. This is the characteristics of the image formed. It is formed between f2 and 2f2, diminished. It is shorter than the object, real and inverted. In the third case, when the object is kept at 2f1, means it kept at here, so the light ray will come parallel to the principal axis. After refraction through the lens it will pass through the focus. Okay, one more light ray will come from here and it will pass through the optical center and it will meet here, cut here. Okay, so our image will be formed at 2f2 and it is same size. This is the characteristics of the image formed. It is formed at 2f2, it is same size, real and inverted. In the fourth case, when the object is kept here between 2f1 and f1. Okay, so it will, so from here the light ray will pass parallel to the principal axis. After refraction it will pass through the focus and from here one more light ray will pass through the principal to the optical center. Okay, and it will meet here. Okay, and it will formed beyond 2f2. The characteristics of the image formed is, it is formed beyond 2f2, it is enlarged, means larger than the object, real and inverted. It is formed. In the fifth case, when the object is kept at f1, means it is kept here. Okay, from here the light ray will parallel to the principal axis. After refraction it will pass through the focus. Okay, and from here one more light ray will come to the optical center and it will go parallel and it will meet at the infinite. The characteristics of the image is, it is formed at infinite, it is highly enlarged, it is real and inverted. Okay, so in the sixth case, it is the last case of this lens, when the object is kept between f1 and the pole of the convex lens. So from here the light ray will pass parallel to the principal axis and here it will pass through the focus according to the rule, and from here we extend it backward. Okay, and it will cut here. Okay, and our image will formed here behind the mirror. And the characteristics of this image is, it is in front of the lens, it is enlarged, it is larger than the object, it is virtual and erect, not real.